Hey there! If you have old Apple Watch like Apple Watch Series 2, 3, 4 or even 5 and if you're experiencing some slow or lagging issue like slow response, connection slow, slow notification, lagging, touch slow and more, just simply go ahead and check out the 5 ways to boost up your speed. Alright, now if you want to instantly make your old Apple Watch make more faster than before, the very quick or the first thing that you guys can do, you can just go ahead and press that your digital crown button and the power button simultaneously unless it shows you the Apple logo. Now keep it holding. Alright guys, now the next things we're going to talk about is your storage. Now to check out your storage, the first things you have to do, just go ahead and tap on your settings and scroll down here and tap on your general. Now once you come over to general here, now go ahead and tap on your usage and this will tell you how much storage you have available on your Apple Watch. Now if you see your storage is less than 2 or 3 gigabyte, then you have to make sure to free up some storage to make your old Apple Watch faster. To do that, you can delete any application from your Apple Watch in order to get some free storage. Now to delete an application, go ahead and tap and hold an application that you want to delete and then tap on the cross icon and go ahead and tap on delete app and your application will be deleted and your storage will be more free. Now even after checking out your storage, if you see still you have the same problem, well the next thing or the third solution would be the background application. Well if you have opened too many applications on your Apple Watch, then your device will be slower. Therefore, the next things you have to do is just go ahead and press on your power button just like that and it will tell you all the applications that you have opened so far. Now all you want to do, you want to delete one by one in order to make your Apple Watch faster. Now to do that, just go ahead and just swipe it to the right and here you gotta just tap on the cross icon in order to delete your background application. Now after clearing out your background application on your Apple Watch, your problem should be solved. But if it doesn't, go ahead and check out the next way to solve your problem. In the fourth solution, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on your settings and scroll down here and tap on your general. From there, scroll down a little bit and tap on background app refresh and from there you need to turn this off. Now doing that process will no longer refresh your every application when you open that and in that way your old Apple Watch will get a little faster than before. Now up until now, if you solved your problem, congratulations. But if you still have the same problem or your Apple Watch is extremely slow, last but not least thing that you gotta do, you need to just open up your settings and scroll down here and open up your accessibility. Tap on there and now scroll all the way down until you see this option called reduce motion. Go ahead and tap on there and literally turn on your reduce motion in order to make your old Apple Watch faster than before. Alright guys, after following our 5 process, literally your old Apple Watch will be faster again. And this is how you guys can literally follow all of them out and this is how you can make your Apple Watch more faster than before. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later.